Welcome to our tutorial on Facebook Messenger. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to use this fantastic app for messaging, calling, and more. Step number 1. Download and install Messenger. First things first, head over to your app store on your phone or computer and search for Facebook Messenger. Once you find it, hit the download or install button and let it do its thing. Step number 2. Log in to your account. Open it up and log in using your Facebook account credentials. If you don't have a Facebook account, you'll need to create one to use Messenger. Step number 3. Getting started with messaging. Now that you're logged in, let's start messaging. Tap on the notepad icon to begin a new conversation. You can either scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find the person you want to chat with. Step number 4. Sending messages. Found your friend. Great! Tap on their name to open up the chat window. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and hit send. Your message will be delivered instantly. Step number 5. Group chats. Want to chat with multiple friends at once? No problem. Tap on the plus icon next to your friend's name to add more people to the conversation. Once everyone's added, you can start chatting away. Step number 6. Sharing photos and videos. Messenger makes it easy to share photos and videos. To send a photo, tap on the camera icon and either take a new picture or choose one from your camera roll. For videos, follow the same steps, but tap on the video icon instead. Step number 7. Making calls and video calls. Need to chat face-to-face? Messenger has you covered. In the chat window, look for the phone icon to start a voice call or the camera icon to initiate a video call. Step number 8. Audio messages. Sometimes it's easier to say it than type it. Messenger lets you send audio messages too. Just tap on the microphone icon, record your message, and send it off. Step number 9. Accessing Messenger on desktop. Did you know you can also use Messenger on your computer? Open your browser and go to messenger.com. Log in using your email or phone number and password, and you're good to go. That's it. You're now a Facebook Messenger Pro. Whether you're chatting with friends, making calls, or sharing photos, Messenger has everything you need to stay connected. Enjoy!